I want to show you how to create a combo box, but to do that, I'm going to recreate the orders table quick. Click Create Form. So there we have an orders table. I'm going to save it quick, so I click on Save and go to the beginning of that and type FRM because that's what I like to do. That's not necessary, but I do. And you notice the customer ID here has a 3 in it, and for the new one, and which is great, I guess. But I would like to be able to see the customer names. So what I do here is I want to go to Design View. So I can either click here in the title bar and click on Design View, or I can go over here. Well, when I'm in Form View, I can go over to the left and look at that. Now, so I highlight Customer ID and I right click. I'll show you how to do that other thing in a minute. And then I go down to Change To. Sometimes it's up on top and sometimes it's towards the bottom, and I never know why. And then click on Combo Box. So that's changed this. I'll make this a little wider so you can see the down arrow here. It's changed it to Combo Box. And if I go back to Form View and click the down arrow, there's nothing in it. So I've got to put something in there. So I go back to Design View. And my property sheet's already up. But if you don't have that, what you do is just click on Property Sheet up here. And you'll notice, so since it's highlighted on the form, it put customer ID in here, which is what I want. Now, I click on the Data tab to tell Access what I want in those rows in that combo box. So that's what the row source is about. And I click the down arrow, and I know that customers come from the customers table, and so we put that there. And then the next little button right next to it, it's got 3 little periods in it, so I call it the ellipsis button. Click on that. It gives me this box. It says you've invoked the query builder on a table. Yes, I do. It brings up this screen, and what I want here is customer ID and customer name right there like that. So that's all I care about here. I just drag them down. Those are the 2 things that'll show up. I click Close. It gives me this dialog box, and I say yes, and it puts that in the row source for me. Now, just to save a little time here, I'm going to click on Format. I know already that I want 2 things to show up, and I've only got 1. The column count here says 1, and so I need to change that to a 2. If I had 3, I'd change it to a 3. And at this point, I'm going to look at it again, see how it's working. So I click on the Form View, click the down arrow. I can see that I have both the customer ID as well as the customer. So I've got my drop-down box working appropriately, and I'm done. So if I click X and I save it, say yes, we're all done.